In this video, I'm going to show you how to share TikTok profile link. Okay, as usual in this channel, we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app. Let's locate it. This one here. Then when you open the TikTok app, you will see various options here. At the bottom, there is the home screen, the friends button, the plus sign, the inbox, and the profile button. What you want to click on is the profile button, the far right button here. After doing that, click on the hamburger sign to the top. Okay, then you will locate settings and privacy. Just tap on it. Then after locating the settings and privacy, you will see various options here that can help you manage your TikTok profile. Now what we want to do here is to share our profile. Now click on the share profile button under account, this one here. Click on it. Then you can share the link via WhatsApp, or you can just copy the link and paste it to where you want to share it. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.